If you're struggling with making a decision, this tapping session is here to help you. Start off by tapping on the back side of your hand, a nice deep breath into your belly, exhaling with a sigh, and repeating back after me. I'm really struggling to make this decision. Tapping between the eyebrows. And all I'm doing today is bringing love and compassion to the part of me that is really having a hard time. To the sides of the eyes. It's so hard for me to decide. Tapping under the eyes. It's really hard for me to make a decision. Tapping under the nose, taking a deep breath. Under the lips. And I've been telling myself that I don't know what to do. Tapping to the chest. I don't know what to do. Tapping to the front of the ribs, taking a nice deep breath. I just want to let you know what we're doing is we're just acknowledging some of the negative thoughts that are there. And this can bring up some feelings. Please stay with me. This is how EFT is most effective. Trust me, I've been doing this for over 13 years. Okay, repeating back. Even though it's tough for me to make a decision, I'm choosing to be loving and supportive with myself. Tapping to the side of the body. I'm choosing to be on my side, supporting myself every step of the way. Tap into the wrist. But I don't know what to do. I've been putting pressure on myself to decide. Tapping to the back side of the hand. And I wonder if it's possible for me to feel 10% more relaxed, being loving and gentle with myself, supporting myself the way I would support a friend. Taking a deep breath. You're doing so great. Stay with me. Tapping up to the top of the head. I don't know what to do. And then I want you to fill in the blanks. I want you to sort of say to me, I don't know whether to do this. I don't know whether to do that. Or you can just say, say a little bit about the situation. Because EFT works best when we're really specific. So I want, say it out loud. Tapping between the eyebrows. And even though this is really challenging for me, tapping to the sides of the eyes, and I've made it into such a big deal in my mind, I'm choosing to love and accept myself. Deep breath. Tapping under the eyes. I love and accept myself even when I don't know what to do. Tapping under the nose. It's possible that I do know what to do. I'm just really afraid. Tapping under the lips. I'm afraid and stressed that if I make a decision, tapping to the chest, that I'm going to get it wrong. What if I get it wrong? Front of the ribs, taking a deep breath. All this fear around making the wrong decision. Tapping to the side of the body. I am committed to loving myself, even if I get it wrong. Once more, like you really mean it. I am committed to loving myself, even if I get it wrong. Yeah. And I'm open to the possibility that there is a way through. To the back side of the hand. And I'm being loving and supportive with myself as I figure out my next step. Tapping up to the top of the head. So we're going to use a little technique now that we can blend in with EFT, and we're going to go between two different possibilities. So I want you to think about the two different options, like, should I do this, should I do that? Should I stay in my job, should I quit my job? Should I, okay, you know, you get it, right? So, A or B? So repeating back after me. Should I, and then say what option A is. Between the eyebrows, taking a deep breath. Or should I say what option B is? To the sides of the eyes. Oh, I don't know what to do. Under the eyes. Should I, option A, under the nose, or should I, option B, tapping under the lips? I'm scared of making a mistake. Tapping to the chest. I am open to the possibility of trusting myself and trusting life. That no matter which option I choose, I am guided, supported, and loved. Under the ribs. Say option A again. To the side of the ribs. Now say option B. Tapping to the wrist. Option A. Back side of the hand. Option B. Big deep breath. I'm choosing to listen to my body. Top of the head. And I'm choosing to love myself no matter what I choose. So tap in between the eyebrows and say option A again. And then feel into your body. What sensations are there? Tapping to the sides of the eyes. Now say, let's take a deep breath. Shake it out a little bit. And now say option B, or say what your option B is. And close your eyes and feel into your body. And notice what's there. Tapping under the eyes. I'm open to the possibility of getting some clarity. Tapping under the nose. And even though it feels edgy, I'm starting to get a bit clearer under the lips on what the next step is. Deep breath. Tapping to the chest. So if you feel in and you're like, there's fear in both direction, then I recommend doing one of my EFT sessions on fear. I've also got a tapping session on clarity. You can search for those afterwards. That could be really beneficial. But you might also just start to feel inside yourself like a little bit more opening and spaciousness around one of the issues and a bit more contraction around the other. And that's your body telling you what to do. Isn't that amazing? So let's tap and say, I'm choosing to listen to the wisdom of my body. Front of the ribs. And I'm choosing to be courageous now. I'm choosing to trust myself. Tapping to the side of the body. And I'm letting go of this old belief that I am not a good decision maker. I'm letting go of this old belief. And I'm choosing to believe instead that I make brave choices. That I make decisions in alignment with my heart and soul. Tapping to the wrist. And I'm choosing to trust myself. Back side of the hand. We're almost done. You're doing so great. I'm choosing to support myself every step of the way. And I'm letting myself feel clear as I make this decision. Beautiful, good job. Please leave me a comment down below. How was this experience for you? Your comments really light me up. They mean so much to me. Even just a few little emojis, it really makes my day. And I have a 5-day free tapping challenge that you can sign up to. You can get a little email every day on different topics to tap along. So if you want to continue your journey even more, that's an option. I also work one-on-one with people in deeply transformative sessions where we really dive into your past, your history, and rewire your brain based on your experiences and where it is that you want to get to. So that is the VIP option that I highly recommend. You can really transform your life in just a few months of us working together. It's really phenomenal. So there's information down below if you want to know more about that. And I have an online EFT course where you can learn how to use EFT tapping for yourself and create your own scripts. Super affordable as well. So all the information is down below. And until next time, remember that every single part of you is worthy of love.